say that you've actually helped me out in a way you wouldn't plan. So, like I remember back in 2012 when I was getting into my first relationship, like around
Mhm.
that time, you guys were playing for KKR, right? And like when you guys
Yeah.
were kicking it, like I remember I was texting my girlfriend, and like that's how we kind of started bonding at that time. So I was like,
Oh, is
that's
it?
cool.
So how's that relationship has gone now? So she's
Yeah,
still
it's
there?
going good. She's sleeping in the next room. Yes.
Guys, welcome to the Desi Trip podcast with me, Viraj and Akshay. Today is a very special episode because we have with us a hero of mine. First, I grew up watching him. So, Mr. Manoj Tiwari. He's represented India in ODIs and T20s, scored over 8,000 runs for Bengal. He's definitely a legend of Bengal cricket. Represented Delhi, Pune, Punjab in the IPL. But the most important one, he won us the IPL, scored the winning runs for his home team, KKR, in 2012. So thank you, sir, for joining us. And we also have with us Shresht. Shresht is a mentor of mine. He was my senior from school. He's a cricket correspondent at ESPN Cricket Info, and he's helped us organize this. So thank you, Shresht.
My
Yeah.
pleasure.
Thank you, Krish.
Thanks for coming, Manoj bhai.
Thank you for
Pleasure is
joining
all
us, sir.
mine.
So first things first, all of us are obviously from Calcutta. We all
Yeah.
love our football. It's well known. Manojda, what's your favorite football club? Who do you support?
I actually support good football, to be honest. From Calcutta, I don't pick any side, to be honest. But since I play for Mohan Bagan cricket team, so
Yeah.
my obviously support goes to them.
Okay.
But coming back to the real supporter inside me, I was a big fan of Man United, but currently I'm not following their football because they're not playing to my expectation. Obviously, I'm no one to judge them. But when Mourinho used to be there and Sir Alex Ferguson used to manage that club, when
Mhm.
Ronaldo was there, from there onwards, my liking for that team, support for that team grew up. So wherever Mr. Ronaldo went, I became supporter of that team. So Real Madrid in between now, I do watch Juventus matches as well. But
Mhm.
but now I started admiring Liverpool as well, just
Yes.
because of his coach.
Oh
So
my
my
God! Now Viraj won't stop
So
talking about this.
so basically, I'm a fan and a supporter of good football. Whoever
Okay, but
entertains me, yeah.
on a national basis, like usually everyone from Calcutta is either Brazil or Argentina. Like, which team do you support in the World Cup?
Yeah, you guys will be surprised to know it's England. Although England doesn't
Hey,
qualify most of the time.
We all like England. I
all
think we
England
all
fans
Yes.
here.
we're all England fans here. Lovely.
Yeah, I think it's something has to do with that English Premier League and
Yeah, for sure.
that impact. Yeah, that has impacted everyone's life.
It's one question I wanted to ask is obviously you are an athletic person, so you must have played a lot of sports growing up, right?
Mhm.
So,
Yes.
if, what sports did you play in school? And if not a cricketer, what sport would you have played?
See, my first love, I've always said in interview is football, and I used to live in a railway colonies. My dad used to work in railways. So in railway colonies, there is a ground provided by the railways. It's a must for them. So everyone over there, we used to play football and cricket both, and whatever sports could be played in that ground uh, uh, was played. So after coming back from school, afternoon timing was for cricket, and when the sun used to set down, then again we used to play football. But I was more inclined into football at that time initially. But since I was studying in English medium school, where later on I came to know because I was not that much good in studies. So somehow it took a little bit of time to know that there is a cricket team as well. Because I was very shy coming
Yeah.
out of a middle class family. My mom, dad did not have that sound education. So it took a little bit of time for me to realize and to understand how things goes on in English medium school. So and that's how I came to know about school team and used to have inter school tournaments. And over there, when you do well, obviously it gets recognized in school
Mhm.
because you get a little bit of acknowledgement from the schoolmates and your fellow students as well. But I still love football, and coming out of Bengal,
Yeah.
we do warm up by playing football, and everybody in Bengal, you guys, if you guys come and watch our
Yeah.
warm up football game, you guys will be surprised at how good
So-
a couple of guys are there.
I've heard Mahi Bhai is a very good footballer. Is it true, Manoj Bhai?
Yes,
Mahi
yes,
Bhai is
yes.
probably one of the better ones.
Yes, Maibai is one of the better ones. See, he's a captain basically. He's a born leader. And why I'm mentioning born leader, because see, he has that ability to read the situation in cricket. Obviously, we see that in cricket only because obviously he's seen over there. But apart from that, we get to know that his capacity of reading situations in other aspects of life is also good, because that's how he has always been. Like I observed that, and in football as well, it reflects on the football as well. He is very calm. He knows what skill needs to be done, what dribbles needs to be done. Because I remember playing a charity game. I represented Virat's foundation in couple of times. I played 2 times, in one in Bombay and once in Delhi. So he was there as well. And the way he was playing, I was a little surprised to see how good he was in football. And he has that his calm uh, 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 manner in what he wants to do. If he wants to go ahead one on one, he can. But the kind of passes he gives, it looks like he has very good mindset to do that, and also a skill to do that. So he's very good. And yeah.
So Manoj bhai, I was reading an interview recently, and I remember some cricketers were saying that before the match starts in the warm up, these guys they play a lot of football, and they said they have so much fun doing it, like they don't want that warm up to end, and they don't end up wanting to play cricket sometimes. Like, does that happen with you guys?
Yes, it does happen, and we normally extend 3 to 4 minutes extra all the time. If the trainer gives 10 minutes, we have to extend that for 3 4 minutes.
हम लोग ने last week we spoke to Abhimanyu on the podcast. Abhimanyu बोल रहा था the first time he came for Ranji का practice Bengal के लिए, तो वो he was so shocked by seeing the skill level कितना high था. He saw you bat and he said to us कि when I saw Manoj bhai bat, my first thought to myself was I have a long way to go before I can say that I belong here. तो जब आपने शुरू किया था, आपको तो 15 years हो गया खेलते हुए, जब इंडियन ड्रेसिंग रूम में फर्स्ट टाइम गए या फर्स्ट ट्रेनिंग सेशन हुआ, इवन एट डोमेस्टिक लेवल, किसको देख के आपको लगा कि मेरे को ऐसे इस लेवल तक पहुंचना है? तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था क्या आपके साथ भी?
उस लेवल तक ऑब्वियसली वैसा किसी को देख के लगा नहीं था, बट ऑब्वियसली सब कोई हमारे बैच का जो भी है उस टाइम में, ऑब्वियसली सचिन तेंदुलकर को देख के ऑब्वियसली everyone got inspired and fall in love with the game of cricket. But along with that, I was obviously coming up in my own zone basically. ठीक है, तो हमारा देखो जो स्ट्रगल करके आते हैं ना, उन लोग का क्या है, उतना सोचने का और इतना आइडलाइज करने का समय नहीं रहता, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बिकॉज जिसके घर पे तकलीफ चलती है, they are all busy into that only. And when you play cricket, तो उसी टाइम you just keep your focus going on, and इस तरह का सोच आता नहीं है. But coming back to obviously falling in love after watching Sachin Tendulkar play, but coming out of West Bengal, obviously मेरा लक्ष्य यही था कि स्टेप बाय स्टेप आगे बढ़ना ही है. और वो स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे होगा? अंडर 16 बंगाल के लिए रिप्रेजेंट किया. Then my next aim was to represent under 19. वो 16 के टाइम में मैं ये नहीं सोच रहा था कि आई हैव टू प्ले फॉर इंडिया, अभी इतना ये करना है. बट उस टाइम मेरा ये सोच था कि आई हैव टू गो टू नेक्स्ट लेवल व्हिच इज अंडर 19. अंडर 19 में जब जाऊंगा, देन वी न्यू दैट कि अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप होता है एंड अंडर 19 इंडियन टीम भी बनती है. सो उसके लिए फोकस करते हैं. So that's how my career just kept going ahead step by step. Then again, when I went to under 19, I became the best player in the under 19 level. I was awarded by BCCI as the best player of in domestic in under 19 level by BCCI. So after that, I got opportunity in Indian team under 19, and I was given the responsibility of leading the side as well. So in the test matches, I was the vice captain when England traveled here. where in that England team, Moeen Ali, then Steve Davies, and there were so many other players also were playing at that time. So vice captain उस time था. My performance was really good. उसके बाद फिर वनडे में कैप्टन बनाया. क्या वनडे में उतना अच्छा नहीं गया था, बट उसके बाद जब 19 खेला, then obviously I got picked for senior Bengal team. But I had to wait couple of years to make it mark into the senior team because there was no space for me. Which was, I felt that they could have made me play because मेरा जितने भी teammates थे under 19 इंडिया के, वो लोग अपने अपने स्टेट में जाके they started getting opportunity in the Ranji Trophy the same year itself. But I had to wait for 2 years. I don't know the reason now, but obviously थोड़ा समय wait करना पड़ा. When Dada again got back into the Indian team, there was one space which created, and that space was given to me. So जब under 19 से फिर मैं वहाँ गया senior team में, जब अच्छा करने लगा, when I obviously started performing well in Ranji Trophy, then I thought कि नहीं boss, अब इंडिया के लिए तो फोकस करना ही है और इसके लिए करना ही करना है, because that was the time when I realized कि नहीं, I can make it a big if I keep performing in Ranji Trophy. And the kind of game I had, Viraj, because when I started playing, I was very, very, very aggressive player. मैं वो मारता ही था, मतलब वो रुकने वाला नहीं. और मेरे सर बोलते हैं कि तू मारता था, वो तेरा गेम अलग था बाकियों से, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे आड़ा टेढ़ा नहीं मारता था. I was orthodox cricket में aggressive batsman था, कि मैं proper cricketing shots में very aggressive था. That's why if you see, if you recollect or get the stats from anyone of Ranji Trophy, my first 5 to 6 hundreds I've scored by hitting 6 only in the first class cricket. So, and that's how I came into the limelight as well. That season of 2006-07, where Bengal reached finals and played against Mumbai, where the opposition had Sachin, Zaid Khan. It was literally an Indian attack, Indian team, you can say. So after that, I got picked up by Delhi Daredevils in the first edition of IPL, and they paid me so much of money that I crossed. I bettered Ricky Ponting what he got that year. So why they have given me that much of amount? Just because the way I used to play at that time. But उसके बाद धीरे धीरे game थोड़ा ये हुआ, वो भी अलग कारण है. I'll discuss that. But somehow that natural instinct or aggressive nature has died down a little bit due to other reasons during my career.
Sir, so Akshay, you had a question regarding the.
It's really interesting that you mentioned that. Like, why did the aggressive nature of your game die down?
To back 2 years, we Bengal finals. Okay. So, unka contract ICL came. You know, if you remember ICL, a T20 format, but it was not क्या बोलते हैं, BCCI approved नहीं था. So वो जब शुरू हुआ तो most of the senior players, क्या हुआ, senior players वहाँ चले गए. और जिस टीम में मैं जब डेब्यू किया था, वो टीम एक very well balanced टीम था. जितने भी सीनियर्स थे वो सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस थे बहुत सालों का. अगर मैं नाम लूं तो शुभमोय दास, औरिंदम दास बोल के प्लेयर थे, निखिल हल्दीपुर, देवांग गांधी, दीप दास गुप्ता, लक्ष्मी रतन शुक्ला, उत्पल चैटर्जी, शिव सागर सिंह, SS Paul, Ronaldez Bose, Ashok Dinda started coming up that season with me as well. So जब इतने सीनियर्स और एक टीम बहुत बैलेंस्ड है ना, तो एक यंगस्टर के लिए एक खुला अपॉर्चुनिटी रहता है to play his natural game. So that's how I was like little free of playing those aggressive shots. ले सकता था. I forgot mention Rohan Gavaskar, who was obviously one of the main players who has made a lot of impact in my career as well. So इस टीम में जब इतने सारे players है, you know that कि अगर तू थोड़ा aggressive खेल भी रहा है और इसकी shots ले भी रहा है, then there are some players down the order who can come and obviously handle that situation. So I was free enough to play all my attacking shots. And the results was very good. उसके बाद जब ICL में बहुत सारे players चले गए, if you remember, 5 to 6 players went there. Deep Das Gupta went, then Rohan Gavaskar, then Abhishek Junjunwala, I missed out in naming it. and
Right.
Deep Das Gupta was there. Shiv Sagar, Lakshmi Bai also went there, but in the last moment he came back.
Mm-hmm.
So what happened? The all the batters, mostly batters, went there. So at a very young age, the following year,
You became the
I
senior
had
batsman at a very young
yes,
age.
Yeah.
yeah, at a very young age, I had to become a very senior batsman who has to take the responsibility of batting. And along with that, I had a dream of playing for India as well because I did really well in the previous season.
Yeah.
So to
Yeah.
play, to get opportunity for Indian team, you need to score big, obviously, and
Yeah.
100 was not enough. So you got to score double hundreds, three triple hundreds if possible. So to play those big innings along with the responsibility of the senior player at a young age, so the natural instinct naturally curbed हो गया. उससे क्या हुआ कि आप लंबा innings खेलते हो तो you want to occupy the crease.
Yeah.
In a way, obviously the patience जो था मेरा वो build up हुआ, वो बहुत help किया. But on a personal note, अभी मैं बैठ के जब सोचता हूँ तो वो डाउनफॉल हो गया मेरा, क्योंकि उस टाइम में कोई ऐसा बंदा नहीं था जो मुझे बताया कि यू शुड हैव प्लेड योर नेचुरल गेम दैट टाइम. बट वो होता नहीं है, क्योंकि वो जब मैच सिचुएशन में आप जाते हो ना, when you take responsibility of anything in life, you cannot take that extra bit of risk which you normally other situations में लेते हो. That's how I had to curb my natural game, and obviously now उसका मतलब परिणाम सहना पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि I missed out on getting opportunities in IPL, which I normally believe कि अभी भी मैं खेल सकता हूँ. With all due respect to a lot of players in the IPL who takes part, but I believe that with my skill and my experience and the kind of contribution I can make, I can still play for IPL for another couple of seasons. But होता है कभी कभी when you realize those are the things, वो period में ऐसा चला गया, and now you know the IPL demands a strike rate of 125, 130. फिर भी मैंने वो करके दिखाया सुपर जायंट्स में, क्योंकि मुझे वो फिनिशर का रोल या नीचे का रोल दिया गया था. देन वो भी किया. बट देयर आर पीपल, अब जब परसेप्शन बना ही लेता है कि ये तो ऐसा ही खेलता है. बट सैड पार्ट क्या लगता है कि देयर आर जो क्रिकेट क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब क्रिकेट पंडित्स जो लोग होते हैं, जो लोग क्रिकेट ज्यादा समझते हैं, कभी कभी मुझे लगता है वो लोग मिस आउट करता है द फैक्ट दैट there are some certain players like me who wants to play the situation of the game. Even in T20 also, you see you need to play situation at times. But वो सब थोड़ा बहुत overlook हो जाता है कभी कभी. और you know, like तुम लोग भी बोल रहे थे कि I'm like straightforward हूँ. कभी कभी a lot of people doesn't take it nicely, digest होता नहीं है. So वो भी मेरा डाउनफॉल है. अब मेरे को वो कभी कभी वो सामने मैं देख नहीं पाता हूँ, जो लगता है मैं बोल देता हूँ, बट परिणाम वो लॉस में ही होता है. सो आई पर्सनली हैव लॉस्ट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन डूइंग दैट. बट क्या करूँ, ऑब्वियसली एवरी इंडिविजुअल, ये जो पृथ्वी में आया है सबको ही बॉस. मैं ऐसा सोचता हूँ कि हम लोग जो इस दुनिया में आए हैं सबको अलग की, मतलब अलग ही रोल है. भगवान, अगर इफ वी ऑल बिलीव इन गॉड, भगवान or Allah, then obviously we have sent here by some purpose. And if you want to become like any other guy who want to be yes sir good books में रहने के लिए अपना अगर खुद का individuality अगर आप खो देते हो, with the not worth it. So that's why मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, but वो निकल जाता है, but सामने वाले को पसंद नहीं आता है, तो उसमें बहुत सारे losses हो जाते हैं. But I'm very happy, boss, to be honest. Very happy in life. I'm blessed with a very young, good-looking boy, with a beautiful wife. She's nice, she's cooperative, and जो भी है बहुत limited है, but बहुत अच्छा है. So 4 वक्त का रोटी मिल जाए, I'm more than happy. So that's how I look to look.
Speaking of roti, when did you know that okay, now I'm sorted, like now I've reached a point where I don't need to be worried about finances anymore?
आपको जब पहला कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला, जैसे आपने बोला राइट कि you got a lot of money that first IPL contract, तो उसके बाद क्या फीलिंग था, क्या हुआ, ऐसा कुछ?
देखो मैं जब रणजी ट्रॉफी खेलता था ना, तो मैं हमेशा रोहन भाई को फॉलो करता था. क्रिकेट में भी एडवाइस लेता था, बट अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो हिज फैशन एज वेल. क्योंकि मेरा इंग्लिश उतना अच्छा नहीं था, so I wanted to learn English. I wanted to see outside my comfort zone का life as well. Like मतलब बाहर की लाइफ कैसी होती है. और रोहन भाई, अभिषेक, myself and Paras used to go out and at times go out for partying and all. मेरा partying करने का मकसद ये भी था कि to have a good time as well, but along with that to just learn about the outside life where I come from, and to learn and make sure that every step I become more prepared to handle things. क्योंकि जब उस टाइम था तो मैं ये ड्रीम करता था कि कभी मेरे को इंटरव्यू के लिए किसी ने पूछ लिया इंग्लिश में तो मैं कैसे उत्तर दूंगा. तो until unless I am prepared, I am look to learn, वो होगा नहीं. That will be a big embarrassment. अभी जो बोल रहा हूँ फिर भी I know grammatically I am very like कहीं ना कहीं इधर उधर हो ही रहा हूँ, but इस स्टेज में पहुंचा हूँ कि वो सोच के आगे बढ़ा हूँ. तो obviously जब उस टाइम था तो रणजी ट्रॉफी से we used to make enough money. Or since we had a financial crisis at home, I knew that 5,000 से होगा नहीं, 8,000 10,000 रुपए घर पे हो monthly, so everything will be sorted. So by the time I was playing Ranji Trophy, I used to get around 10 lakhs if I play the whole season. For that, कि अब मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं बॉस, अब ये हो गया है तो sort out हो गया है. Along with that, I got a job in electricity supply corporation as well, CSC. So when I got that job, obviously that was the point where I realized कि अभी तो तकलीफ जो over a period of time था financially, it will be taken care. But when I got the first contract of IPL, हाँ मैंने रोहन का इसलिए नाम लिया, रोहन भाई का, क्योंकि मेरा एक अलग सा टेस्ट भी है. तो मेरा वो फैशन का भी टेस्ट है और मुझे ब्रांड पहनना और ये सब ऑब्वियसली अभी उतना मैटर नहीं करता है, बट उस टाइम होता है ना एक लाइकिंग एंड डिसलाइकिंग की अब रोहन भाई ये ब्रांड पहने तो इससे पूछना है क्या है नहीं है. तो वैसे कर करके आई स्टार्टेड लविंग फैशन एज वेल, स्टार्टेड वेयरिंग ब्रांडेड स्टफ, जूते भी जो भी बोल लो. तो वो ड्रीम था एक कार का भी, CRV कार मैंने देखा था, बट पैसे उतने नहीं थे. तो जब पहला IPL कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हुआ मेरा, तो मेरा पहला ही था कि ये Honda CRV कार तो लेना ही लेना है, और वो भी ऑटोमेटिक लेना है क्योंकि वो मैनुअल में मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होती है. So the first thing I did was to obviously buy one CRV, which is still there. I'm not going to sell that because it's something which is very close to me. हालांकि अगर मैं सेल करूंगा तो बहुत कम पैसे मिलेंगे, बट उससे ज्यादा सर्विसिंग में लग जाता है. बट I'm happily ready to do it. It's not a good thing. It's not a smart thing to do, but it's something which is very close to my heart. That's why I've kept that, and I'm ready to keep servicing that for as many years I can.
You're a very emotional fellow, Manoj bhai.
हाँ वो तो हो. इमोशनल हूँ, इसीलिए बहुत लोग फायदा भी उठाते हैं, बट क्या कर सकते हैं अब, है तो है. That's the way I am.
Please don't change. Please
don't change. I think अक्षय will agree कि हम लोग जब टीवी में देखते हैं बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ वही आंसर देते हैं जो टीवी के लिए उनको प्रिपेयर किया गया है. They're not honest.
फंस जाते हैं. I get tired of getting the same responses for everything. But it's awesome.
नहीं, मैं वही बिलीव करता हूँ. मैं वही मानता हूँ कि मतलब मुझे obviously I feel little this thing खराब लगता है क्योंकि I know where most of the players come out and give interviews the same thing. अभी तो ये फैशन चला हुआ है कि वो डिजिटल मैनेजर रखना है, ये रखना है, वो रखना है. मतलब क्या बोलूं, अभी कोई भी important issues पे they don't come out and speak out. But I believe that if they come out and speak out in important issues, when somebody's tweet or Instagram post gets a like of say about 10 lakhs likes or jitna bhi maximum likes ho, those people can come out and make difference to so many youngsters or so many people who are not aware of the things. है ना? Like for example, when the corona thing happens, I'm not against any religion or whatsoever. I think कि जो भी दिल्ली में हुआ, which was unfortunate, like when जब वो हुआ, वो बहुत बड़ा इशू हुआ और कोरोना उस टाइम पीक पे था, तो ऐसा गैदरिंग होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए. मैं ये मानता हूँ कि फॉर एग्जांपल जो बड़े स्टार्स हैं जो जिनको इतने लोग फॉलो करते हैं, वो अगर आके ट्वीट कर दे या पोस्ट कर दे 50 सेकंड का वीडियो कि भाई लोग इस समय आप लोग नहीं गेट टुगेदर करेंगे, तो जो लोग अनएडुकेटेड भी होते हैं ना, तो वो लोग भी अपने स्टार्स को इस तरह सुन के, इस तरह देख के वो लोग समझ जाएंगे, क्योंकि
Yeah.
हमारे देश में बहुत सारे इश्यूज ऐसे हैं कि जो अवेयरनेस की वजह से लोगों तक पहुंचता नहीं है।
जी
तो
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से वो हम लोग वी कुड हैव अवॉइडेड दैट सिचुएशन एज वेल. नाउ वी आर सीइंग द कंडीशन. नाउ द केसेस आर गोइंग up only, and so so कभी कभी खराब लगता है, which I understand, but everybody has to be in a good books of XYZ. So
Yeah.
करते हैं वैसे. मेरे को कोई मतलब चाह नहीं है.
yeah
Mhm.
I don't have any expectations from anyone, so I believe in saying whatever I have to say. So
So
I
Manoj,
just keep
you're
saying,
actually
yeah.
pretty open about this kind of stuff, because I was going through your Twitter feed last night, okay, and I noticed that you retweet a lot of posts from journalists, you highlight social issues, and like you retweet a lot of stuff, and you share a lot of content that most other people, they're afraid they might take flack for. So like, what are some of the issues that you personally feel very sentimental or passionate about? Things
See,
that could
Akshay,
get
before Manoj Bhai answers this, I want to say that cricketers these days, they don't handle their social media profiles. Okay,
Okay.
they have managers for that, but
Hmm.
very few people actually handle their own profiles among stars. I think Manoj Bhai is one of them. I think Rohit Sharma is one of them. Dada to an extent. So it's a very rare quality. The thing you're asking about, cricketers don't do this at all, because they have posts scheduled. एक 1 PM को
Yeah.
एक हैप्पी बर्थडे पोस्ट जाएगा, 4 बजे को एक पोस्ट जाएगा, 7 बजे एक स्पॉन्सर्ड पोस्ट जाएगा. So that is the sort of industry we are in these days. But Manoj Bhai is one of those rare breed of people, with I think Rohit and Ganguly Dada to an
I
extent, who
was
actually have their own.
Shreyas, I was surprised to know from one of my teammates, when he mentioned that he has kept a separate budget for this digital PR thing, boss, and that amount. जब मैं सुना ना, मेरा मतलब क्या बोलूँ,
उड़
I
गए.
was literally shocked, boss. And there are a couple of people from digital this thing. They keep calling me, boss, कि मनोज भाई मैं आपका प्रोफाइल मैनेज करता हूँ. हम बोले ठीक है, अगर मैनेज करना है तो कर ले. But when they come to the point कि they are asking for money, so these guys are going to manage my profile, like they're going to tweet my thing, post my thing of their like जो भी है, and they're going to charge me. But
Oh.
इसमें मेरा दिमाग वैसा नहीं है. I'm not that emotionally connected with this. Okay, it does not make any sense, boss, to me. Pay someone to digital marketing. See, like मैंने कहा कि मेरा कोई चाह नहीं है, मेरा कोई ये नहीं है कि पॉपुलर होना है और ट्वीट करो, ये मार्केट है आने वाले टाइम में. बट आई डोंट बिलीव इन दिस. सो लाइक यू सेड, आई डू ट्राई मेक श्योर कि मैं खुद से ये करूं, और मैं ही करता हूं कि इट डज नॉट मेक सेंस टू पे एनीवन टू ट्वीट और पोस्ट एंड मैनेज माय प्रोफाइल.
But what are issues you care deeply about?
हाँ, आई वाज कमिंग टू दैट. सी, अनफेयरनेस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि मेरे साथ अनफेयर बहुत हुआ है. और अभी डिटेल्स में अनफेयर में जाऊंगा नहीं, बट एवरीथिंग इज देयर as an open book in my thing, like the 100, you see the picture behind this thing. After scoring this 100, the celebration, when I went back to the hotel, it gave me satisfaction, it gave me belief that I belong to international cricket after scoring this 100. But before this 100, there were a couple of innings which I was not capitalizing on it. Although there were circumstances दिए गए थे मेरे को, I had to open for India, which I was not used to it. But I cannot complain. In West Indies, when I traveled after the 2012 IPL win, जब West Indies गए, when Suresh was leading the side, then Fletcher came for the first time. See, when somebody prepares at a certain position for over a period of time, he's comfortable in that position. But while traveling for Indian team, representing Indian team, so you cannot complain when somebody comes up, the management comes up and asks you to open the innings.
You do it.
Despite not wanting to know where you are more comfortable, the job becomes more difficult. So I was not prepared to open the innings, but I had to do it because I want to play for India, and want to be part of playing 11. So I missed out over there in the first game, got out in this 2 runs. Then in the 5th game, I got opportunity at number 4. They realized that ki 4 पे इसको भेजते हैं, वही कंफर्टेबल होगा, क्यों एक इनिंग्स लगा समझने में कि ओपनर नहीं है, उसके बाद 4 पे गया तो फिर 24 रन किया, उसके बाद फिर आउट हो गया। तो वो, और उस टाइम मेरे साथ क्या होता था इनिशियल फेज में बिफोर दिस 100, कि आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू गेट opportunity at number 4th game of the series or the 5th game of the series, because मेरा पोजीशन टीम में वो कभी श्योर ही नहीं था वैसे, इसको देना है कि मौका नहीं देना है, वो मतलब चलता ही रहता था। और तो कम्युनिकेशन तो हमेशा ही वहाँ लैकिंग था ही, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं है, वो मैंने हमेशा ही आके बोला है। जब ये 100 बनाया था तो मुझे ये लगा था कि बस नाउ कि अब मैं इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट खेल सकता हूँ, क्योंकि इतने फेलियर के बाद जब सक्सेस मिलता है देन यू नो कि अब मौका मिलेगा मुझे। और मैन ऑफ द मैच मिलने के बाद ऑब्वियसली यू एक्सपेक्ट टू प्ले नेक्स्ट फ्यू गेम्स, सो आई वाज वेरी श्योर कि मिलेगा, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली पता नहीं कारण क्या है, उसके बाद मिला नहीं मुझे मौका। तो नेक्स्ट 14 गेम्स आई हैड टू sit out after getting a man of the match award, and that basically broke my confidence completely. And for a player or for any individual for that matter, लाइफ में कॉन्फिडेंस किसी का कभी तोड़ना नहीं चाहिए और डिमोरलाइज नहीं करना चाहिए कोई भी वे से। तो जो अनफेयरनेस मैं बिलीव करता हूँ ये अनफेयर था मेरे साथ, जिसका कभी कोई कम्युनिकेशन भी मेरे साथ नहीं किया। अगर मेरे साथ कम्युनिकेशन भी किया जाता कि ये कारण से तुम नहीं खेल रहे हो, तो मुझे वो पता रहता कि इस कारण से नहीं खेल रहा हूँ, देन व्हेन आई गो ऑन टू द following days I'll be clear of my thought process, clear mind से जाऊंगा and knowing कि क्या कारण था। अगर जब communicate नहीं होता है then always you are thinking कि whether these guys likes me, क्या कारण है, क्या हो रहा है, you try to find answers within yourself. And being a youngster you don't have that obviously basically balls to go up to the senior and ask questions.
It's so ridiculous. I mean, come on, like, dude, you won a man of the match award. How do they not even tell you why you're not being selected? Like, that just blows my mind.
अब ये हाँ, that is also something which I also keep thinking about at times when I get very like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नॉस्टैल्जिक जब हो जाता हूँ कभी भी मैच देखता हूँ, बिकॉज माइट जितने भी उस टाइम से जो भी कितने प्लेयर्स लोग खेले हैं, रोहित, विराट, Suresh, Shikhar, so we played together, and Virat was youngster, but Shikhar, Suresh, इन लोग के साथ हम लोग खेल के, रोहित, हम लोग एक साथ ही खेले। When now I see them playing, obviously I feel very happy for them. I appreciate their game, but I know that कि मैं भी खेल सकता था, but अभी नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ। तो coming back to that, the important issues where I try to highlight is that unfairness अभी कभी भी मैं देखता हूँ सोशल मीडिया पे, मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि उसको थोड़ा हाईलाइट करूँ। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अभी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ जो हुआ है, इसके बारे में भी मैंने एक पोस्ट डाला था, ट्वीट डाला था, रिकॉर्डिंग डाला था कि ये जो हुआ है और जैसे भी हुआ है, और उससे उसका वीडियो देखने के बाद, पिक्चर देखने के बाद उसकी डेड बॉडी का, बहुत सारे लोग हैं कि दे हैव पोस्टेड and posted a lot of views as well, which I've gone through. Or when I go through, I went too deep into Sushant's life basically prior to this incident. So ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि देख के कि उसका मौत हो सकता है, मतलब वो खुद की अपनी जान ले सकता है, क्योंकि he was very lively guy and very down to earth guy as well. He was always I used to appreciate acknowledge all the poor people when paparazzis were there. So उसके dreams थे, 50 dreams थे, और astronomy में वो believe करते थे, quantum physics पढ़ाई कर रहे थे, और astronomy is something which I also have a lot of interest. I went to NASA as well, like holiday पे, एक महीना का holiday पे हम लोग गया, तो we went to NASA as well. So वो कनेक्शन वो बैठ रहा था उसके साथ, तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लग रहा है कि जो होना चाहिए फेयर ट्रायल, obviously we all respect our judicial system and we cannot like question all the time पुलिस क्या कर रही है नहीं कर, because कोरोना के समय पे we all know that how our policemen, doctors and everybody, social workers have really worked very hard. So एक time पे we are praising our policemen, on the other hand obviously when we see all this thing and when you get to know about so many stories about previously what happened, there were so many issues which was not dealt fairly,
Yeah.
then obviously the doubts comes into your mind. Why it's taking so much of time for a high profile case?
Yeah.
And
On
he
that
was very
note,
popular.
on that
Yeah.
note is Manoj bhai, is where it's really impressive, and I just want to hear more from you on this one thing. These days there are many people who have lost their jobs due to corona. Maybe they've had their salaries been slashed, and so people have seen success and suddenly dropped. Maybe there are some correlations there with your career as well, as you said about the 100, but you sort of stayed focused. And did
Yeah.
you spiral down? Did you spiral into some very negative places? And if you did, how did you get out of it? And if you did not, please give some tips to our viewers on how to really stay motivated when you think that things are not going your way, life is being unfair towards you.
Yeah.
See, I had no other option to be honest. मेरे को हमेशा से ये था कि खाली हार्ड वर्क करना है. Obviously इंडियन टीम में obviously you want to make it back to Indian team. Obviously वो अगर जुनून आपके अंदर है, you know, things have not gone well with you after getting a man of the match. You did not get an opportunity, but when I got opportunity, I was prepared. But there were certain, and that 14 games happened over a period of 6 months. And you know, um, 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 I want to disclose this in this podcast only, that the treatment which I used to get, I hardly used to get batting in the nets, because it's a normal thing कि जब कोई खेलता नहीं है, जब कोई playing 11 में मैनेजमेंट के दिमाग में नहीं है, तो क्या होता है कि पहले प्रेफरेंस वो प्लेइंग 11 को दिया जाता है. देन जो बैलेंस जो रिजर्व्स में है, उन लोगों को बैटिंग बहुत कम मिलती है. और मेरे केस में मतलब बैटिंग मिलता तो था ही नहीं बेसिकली. और जब कम्युनिकेशन भी नहीं होता है और बैटिंग मिलती भी नहीं है, तो व्हेन यू ट्रैवल विद द टीम विद अ ग्रुप ऑफ सो मेनी प्लेयर्स, you 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 find yourself in a very deep trouble basically mentally. So there was one point of time in Australia where I was, despite all the other players not performing, and after scoring 100, I was not was given an opportunity. I thought, was this is the time I have to go back to India and announce my international retirement. Kyunki it was getting too much into my this thing. But on the other hand, when this thought came in, but on the other hand, I thought कि boss अगर मैं अभी quit कर लूँगा, then throughout my life I will be remembered as someone who has left it very easily, who did not try enough to make it a comeback. So, and I like, जब भी difficult phase होता था, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos. और YouTube videos इसीलिए देखता था, मैं सिर्फ क्रिकेट में, मतलब क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल फॉलो नहीं करता, बट अदर स्पोर्ट्स आल्सो आई डू फॉलो. लाइक बास्केटबॉल देखता हूँ, गोल्फ भी कभी कभी देखता हूँ, टेनिस भी देखता हूँ. तो आई हैड अ वेरी, फ्रॉम अ यंग एज आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू फॉलो सो मेनी स्पोर्ट्स क्लोजली. और एंड यू नो एवरी, तुम लोग भी जब बास्केटबॉल देखते हो, ऑल द ब्लैक पीपल प्लेयर्स एथलीट्स or the white people, especially the black people who makes it big, like LeBron James, there's so many players, Kyrie Irving, वो तो थोड़ा उसके पिताजी पहले खेले हुए हैं, but अगर maximum आप देखोगे, they have all come from a very difficult situations in life. they मतलब कोई family में drug addict था, या single mother raised, they had to take a lot of trouble, and but still they make it. And for example, the videos which inspired me the most was Derek Redmond, the Olympic 1992.
His father, and him.
Yeah. That race, see, he was favorite to win that race. Obviously, that 400-meter race. So just before 50 or 20, I don't know. Remember the don't remember the meter how much it was left, but before completing, he got injured. His hamstring just got torn, and he was obviously leading, so he could not run, boss. He was in a lot of pain. Then suddenly, someone from the crowd jumped into to racetrack and came to console him. He helped him to get up. And when police came to take away that man said that I'm his father. So that policeman just went away. उसके बाद फिर उसको धीरे-धीरे, so उसके पिताजी उसको कंधे में हाथ लेके उसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको रेस फिनिश करने के लिए कह रहा था. तो that's how he did it. And नहीं, in fact उसके पिताजी ने बोला कि बेटा you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Then Derek Redmond said, "No, I have to do this." So slowly, he helped him to come to the close to the finishing line. So उसके बाद जब finishing line के ठीक 10 meters है, उसके dad ने उसको छोड़ दिया, बोला go and finish yourself. So that motivated me a lot because he made sure that he finishes that race. And that's somehow I related to my thing as well. कि जब नहीं मौका मिला, just keep waiting for your next opportunity. जब मिलेगा तू अच्छा करने की कोशिश करना, हालांकि guarantee नहीं रहता है success. But I was fortunate to contribute in Sri Lanka again, the fourth game and the fifth game. The fourth game, 4 wicket and 21 runs. Fifth wicket भी मिल जाती, वो LBW था, वो अंपायर ने दिया नहीं, end goal. Leg before था. So I would have been the first player after a couple of years that someone has taken a 5-wicket haul in 1 year. But हुआ नहीं. Then again the fifth game I got 65. उसके बाद I don't know क्या हुआ, इतना कुछ हुआ अभी मेमोरी में कुछ याद भी नहीं है. So I just left it like that. Now so basically तो श्रेष्ठ के लिए यही बोलना चाहूंगा, जो भी सुन रहे मेरे भाई लोग, जो भी यंगस्टर्स जो भी है यार, बिलीफ नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. You got to believe yourself कि you can do it basically. और मैं हमेशा यही कहता हूँ, क्योंकि आज के टाइम पे क्या हो गया है कि कोई भी प्रोफेशन में आप ले लो, सिर्फ क्रिकेट में नहीं, हालांकि क्रिकेट में हम लोग मतलब जुड़े हुए हैं. सो आई टेंड टू सी मोर इन क्रिकेट दैट देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल हु विल क्रिएट डाउट, विल कम अप टू यू, बोलेगा क्या कर रहा है यार, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, ये हो गया वहाँ, वो हो गया वहाँ, होना नहीं है, यहाँ जैक चाहिए, वो चाहिए. तो डेमोरलाइज करते हैं. उसमें से बहुत लोग होते हैं कि अननोइंगली करते हैं बट कर देते हैं. सो वो बिलीफ अगर आप उन लोग का सुन के अगर हाल छोड़ दोगे तो जिंदगी में आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हो स्पोर्ट्स में, और ऐसे भी नहीं बढ़ सकते. तो इट्स बेटर कि जब इस तरह की चीजें हो, आप अपने अंदर वो बिलीफ रखो.
Hey guys, so that's it from part 1 of the Manoj Tiwari episode. Part 2 will be out next week. If you enjoyed this part, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and please share it with your friends. This will help us reach a wider audience and grow so we can make more content that you like and enjoy. And also let us know what you think in the comments section. Thanks.